Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, but I am back. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your ex to miss you. If you've just gone through a breakup, you're probably wondering how to make your ex to miss you. People break up for different reasons. A typical disagreement may turn into a sudden breakup. If you've been in a long-term relationship, it is normal that you miss your ex and you want them to miss you too, and then you want to talk to them again. But you may be hesitant about your ex mental state. If you want your ex to miss you, there are a few things that you can do that will make them to crave wanting you back in their life. Before you get into the whole process of finding answers to your question of wanting your ex to miss you, it is important to understand what will make them miss you. Breakups are exceptionally hard, and it is normal for couples to go through a withdrawal symptom post-breakup. Let's discuss some major factors which might make your ex miss you. Number one is constant reminders from friends and family. A relationship does not involve just two people. It involves two families, your family and the other party's family, and also friends, your friends and her or his friends. If you are together for a long time and in a serious relationship, it is normal for you to have bond with the friends and the families, and these might come about attending weddings together, parties together, naming ceremonies together, family functions together, family dinner together. So all these things bring about the bond that you share with your partner and the family and friends. So whenever you bump into the family and friends, it keeps reminding you of the breakup or the past relationship you had with your partner. And I know that it is very difficult to maintain distance because they might even be calling you on the phone to check up on you because they might not know what has happened between the two of you. Even if they know, because you have shared that bond with them, they would want to be checking up on you. And that is a constant reminder of the breakup or the relationship that you shared with your ex. Number two, the memories of good times flood your minds. Post-breakup, the memory of the good times can flood your mind through the breakup, because you guys shared a lot of things in common, and when you remember the scent of their perfume or someone smells similar to what your ex smells like, uses the same perfume or the same product, or when you're passing by the road and you get to see your ex favorite restaurant or coffee spot where you guys go together to take coffee together, any little thing of theirs that is still surrounding you is still going to trigger the love and the memories that you guys shared together. It is very difficult to erase these from your mind. Number three is photos in the gallery. Sure, if you have been in a long-term relationship and in a serious one, I'm sure you guys must have shared photos together, you must have shared voice notes together, you must have shared videos together, you must have shared video notes, video messages together. So when you come across your chatting app or your phone gallery, photo gallery, you get to see their pictures, the funny ones, the silly ones, the sexy ones, and these keep reminding you of the love that you guys share together. Number four, physical intimacy and the consistent sex. Should I mention that? But if you guys have been in a long-term relationship and you guys have been together for a very long time, it is almost normal, but I am not supporting that you guys have shared warmth together, togetherness, like you guys have constant romance and knacking. When you have nothing to do, you start thinking of those intimate moments, the romance that you guys shared. This is something that could trigger you thinking about your ex, or this could be something that will make your ex to keep thinking about you. If you want your ex to come back to you or to miss you back, you don't have to force them. Breakup is a rough part, and we need to heal from it mentally, physically, and emotionally. So it is a gradual process. Now I'm going to walk you through steps that you're going to take, the things that you're going to be doing from now on that will make your ex to miss you so much and want you so bad and even regret ever losing you. Number one, do not try to contact them. They say distance makes the heart grow fonder. Now you don't need to keep bothering them with your calls. You don't need to keep disturbing them with your texts. That is one beautiful and very powerful move to make. They are still agitated. They are still pondering their mind, whatever caused the breakup to happen. So you should give them time to heal and think and come back to a normal state of mind, because it is a healing process and it's a gradual process. Even when they try to contact you, you don't need to pick up the calls. So you need to let them understand that you can be without them, that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve without them, that you can breathe, you can live without them. It will make them to realize that they are not superhumans, that you have control of your emotions. Number two, do not give in to temptation for the time being. I know that it's easier said than done, and I know that it is very difficult. Number three, reinvent yourself. You can convert all those negative energy to positively reinventing yourself. Work on yourself. I know you had plans. I know how relationship can tie some dreams down. I know how spending time together with your loved one or with someone that you're dating you so much love can tie you down from achieving a particular goal. Now is the time to take opportunity. Now is the time to take advantage of the time that you lost. Reinvent yourself. When I say reinvent yourself, I mean take charge of your time, take charge of your life. Do different things. What is that dream that you've been wanting to achieve? This is the time to put it into action. It is going to help your mind to relax and focus on building yourself. You don't need to be all moody, alone. You can look for a new hobby. You can get a new haircut. You can get some piercings. You can get some new tattoos. You can get your hair colored. You can change your wardrobe. There are so many things to do to reinvent yourself. This will make your ex to know that you are doing fine without them. Number four, meet new people and make new friends. This is the time to step out of your comfort zone. I know that relationship can really take you away from friends. It can really make you not to meet new people. Yes, I know that. This is the perfect time to meet new people, to make new friends, go out. These are the things that will help your mind to be busy so that you don't sit one place and then keep pondering on the breakup. You don't need to look like you're sick. So it makes your ex to actually think that you're just moving on, just like that, so easily. And this is an opportunity for them to start thinking about you. Number five, talk to their friends. I mean, the friends of your ex. If you happen to bump into them, physically or on social media, be nice to them, talk to them. Do not act as if because you broke up or break up with your ex, then it is all done. You're all done with the friends. No. You need to tell them that you're doing fine, that you're great. You need to be confident when you're talking to them, when you're meeting up with them. Because your ex-friends is definitely, or family members, is definitely going to be relating back to him or her. So they want to be knowing how you are doing. Your ex wants to know how beautiful or how bad you are doing. So when you're showing them the positive energy in you, that you are doing just fine, that you're doing great, they are going to go back to your ex and relate with them. Number six, check out the outside dating world. Go out on dates. Yes, dinners with friends or new people. I'm not saying since you're expecting your ex to come back to you that you should start dating someone else immediately. But you can go on dates, get to meet new people. This will actually make your ex not only to be jealous, but it is going to help boost your personal confidence. One thing you need to know is that you cannot spend all your time waiting for them to come back. This will also make your ex to feel that you are ready to let someone new into your life, and this is going to really make them very, very jealous. Number 7, take a vacation. This is beautiful. If you have the money, just do this. Take a vacation. It mustn't be outside of your country. Outside of your country. It can be within the country, but another state, another town. You can go on a solo date. Take care of yourself. Make sure you enjoy yourself while you're on the date. It mustn't be solo. You can still go with friends. Just take a vacation. And if you're doing your vacation, make sure you take photos and videos of how you're flexing and enjoying yourself. Make sure you take, because the photos and the videos, they are very important, because they're going to keep your ex updated on how successful your life is going, and they're going to be missing going on that vacation with you, because they know that if you guys were still together, they would be the one on that vacation with you. Number 8, be active on social media. Very, very important. Very important. You need to be active on social media. You don't need to all go black and blank. Whatever success you're achieving, not like everything you're achieving, but your daily activities, you're going to work, you're going to play baseball, you're going to do sports, you're going to the gym, you've drawn some tattoo, your piercings, the color of your hair, you've changed wardrobe, you dressed neatly, like your dress game, your fashion game is on point. Make sure you put all these out on social media. If you're not someone that likes to upload often, story is a good one for you. You can keep pushing it on story that can last for 24 hours. Number 9, act cool when you see them. Should, in case you guys are working in the same office or you live in the same neighborhood, when you see them, act all cool. You don't need to act like a douchebag. You need to be polite and nice and gentle to them. Greet them. But you don't need to show them that you're really missing them, that you're thinking about them, that you want them to come back into your life. I'm sure you know what I mean when I say act cool with them. I mean, you should talk to them nicely. You can ask them how they are doing. Do not do not act like you're beefing them. Definitely, you're not going to be able to run away from them, because you guys are working in the same office or you're living in the same neighborhood. So it is definitely possible that you're going to be bumping into them. So you can even ask for a date. You guys can go out and sit down and talk as normal friends, like you just met. You can give them updates of what is going on in your life. A little, not all. If you have 100% going on for you, just give them 5%. That will tell them that you are doing good, that you're beautiful without them, that you're achieving so much without them. So they need to find out every other thing themselves. You don't need to tell them. Number 10, make sure you're not awkward once you resume talking. Still act as if you guys are meeting for the very first time. You can ask them how they are doing and update them on how you're doing, but do not give out too much information. Now, when you guys have started talking, you can start by reminding your ex about the good old days, how you guys met, how the friendship was. It could be just a funny past talk, reminding each other how beautiful it has been. This will help the both of you to actually remember what attracted the both of you in the first place. 11, be the person that your ex fell for. You don't need to be a practically changed person. You still need to be you, because there is something about you that made him or her to actually start dating you. You know the spark that joined the both of you together. You know how everything started for the both of you. You know what she or he loved about you that attracted you to them. Just be that. Number 12, wish them on special occasions like Christmas, their birthdays, any special celebration they are celebrating. Make sure you do not forget to wish them But you don't need to be buying gifts, you don't need to buy chocolates or buy cakes for them. All you just need to do is to wish them happy Christmas, happy birthday. That is enough. You don't need to do too much. These are the things that you can start doing now that will make your ex to miss you. If you try this out and it worked for you, do not fail to come back to leave a comment down there below on my comment section. I'm still your favorite coach, Gracious Chioma. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you've not yet subscribed. Leave a comment on the comment section, like this video, share this video. I'm definitely going to see you in my next video. Bye.